What do you think about this rally we've seen in crude today? Is it short-lived or could it sustain itself?
Well, let's think about the announcement coming out of the Trump administration. I view this more as a tactical retreat than any type of strategic maneuver. And one of the key reasons for that, nothing's really changed in the longer-term outlook of the trade war. However, it does demonstrate a sensitivity of the administration to the U.S. consumer. But speaking of sensitivities, I think the size of this move in oil shows you how short these markets are in terms of selling off of macro concerns. And I think that rebound is really showing you how you have any positive news in this, the market's going to respond.
Should we be talking more about the spread between Brent and WTI right now? Because it has narrowed considerably in the last couple of weeks.
I mean, it was our base case view that it would narrow once you had the pipes come online in the U.S. out of the Permian. Because think about this. You had the constraints of the pipes in the Permian. Brent could trade higher and higher and higher. Now that Cactus is coming online, you debottleneck the Permian, you should have a narrowing of the differentials. So I would view that as just being more consistent with the fundamental picture out there. And I think the fact of the matter is that you look at WTI and Brent, they've been trading that same macro news. So I think if you look at the micro fundamentals of oil in any of these commodity markets, they're all trading consistent with the economics of these individual sectors. But they're correlated with what's going on in the macro, which is what's happening today. Copper's up too.
Let's get to gold.
Gold.
Up, 18% year to date. More to go in that? What's the key factor you're watching?
Well, obviously, that's the macro sentiment's been a big driver of that. But if you look at the fundamental picture, it's supportive of it. First of all, central bank buying has been substantial. You had 100 tons out of the Polish central bank. The Chinese central bank continues to buy at 10 tons a month. So big central bank buying is part of that de-dollarization story. The other big factor, which drives our $1,600 target on gold, really is the ETF demand. And I think that what we're going to see is diversification from both institutional as well as retail investors into more gold. And it's much more of a tactical defense strategy than anything else. So we put that together, we're comfortable with our $1,600 target. We're $1,500 and change right now, which means substantially more upside.